The American Welding Society World Skills Selection Committee brings together past champions and competitors from the National Skills USA welding competition in search for the best welder in America to compete against the rest of the world in the World Skills competition. Every 2 years, the best welders in the world compete at World Skills. This year, Lyon, France will host that event. Here in the United States, the World Skills trial participants and their hard-working instructors will spend countless hours training at their school shops, making welds on pipe, plate, and vessel with all processes and all base materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. Hundreds of welds have been turned in to Menchel Metalworks, R. Conley, Kentucky Welding Institute, and other locations across America. Those participants recently spent a week at Robotics Technology Park in Alabama. So good luck to all the competitors who've competed so far. Thanks to the instructors who have helped out, and we can't wait to see who's going to be on top and be the winner of the World Skills Selection 2024 to represent the United States and Lyon, France.